Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, star achievers felicitated at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And CISF Collective needs to continuously adapt with the digital way of working, says CEO RSP while interacting with CISF personnel. Now the news in detail. At a function organized at CEO Conference Hall of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 29th July, Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, felicitated the winners of Asian Management Games, finalists of Chairman's Trophy for Young Managers 2020-21 and the All India rank holder in AIMS PG entrance examination. Mr. Dhirendra Mishra, GMPR and COC was also present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Chattaraj congratulated the outstanding performers. Grit, determination, perseverance and hard work make the difference, the CEO said, while wishing the achievers success to all in their future endeavours. It may be noted that the team from RSP comprising Mr. Prakash Chandra Sahu and Mr. Vikrant Kumar Patel, both managers of Finance and Accounts Department, and Mr. Biswajit Jaina, manager of Instrumentation Department, have won the coveted Asian Management Games for the second consecutive year. The team became the champion, leaving behind team from Pakistan as first runners and Team Hong Kong as second runners-up. The competition was organized online by the MMA Macau Management Association and All India Management Association from 9th June to 12th July 2021. The finalists of Chairman's Trophy for Young Managers 2020-21 and the plant level winners of the competition were Mr. Sanjay Gautam, AGM, C&IT, Mr. Anup Agarwal, Manager HSM2 and Mr. Deepak Garg, Deputy Manager WMD. The topic for the year was Digital Transformation in SAIL, Challenges and Opportunities. Also felicitated by the CEO was Dr. Swikriti Das, Ward of RSP Executive Mr. S.K. Das, DGM BF, who has made Rourkela proud by becoming the 39th rank holder in All India level at the AIMS PG entrance examination. Notably, Dr. Swikriti has achieved this highly commendable feat in her first attempt after passing MBBS from the SCB Medical College and Hospital, Cuttack. CISF Collective needs to continuously adapt with the digital way of working, said Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, while interacting with the CISF personnel at CISF Barrack on 26th July. Present on the occasion were Dr. Sikhar Sahai, DIG, CISF, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED HA, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Operations, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED P&A and other senior officers of RSP and CISF. Further elaborating on the modern-day requirement of digitization, the CEO emphasized upon the need of devising new and innovative ways so as to bring about a digital transformation in the matters of security. There is a need to be sensitive about the new kinds of threats as well as opportunities in the digital domain in the matters of security, the CEO further added. Mr. Chattaraj urged the CISF personnel to be extra careful and make special efforts to keep the plant safe and secure, especially in the sensitive areas. The CEO expressed hope that the policy formulated in the matters of medical treatment of CISF personnel would be beneficial for all. The CEO attributed a part of the success of the plant to the support received from CISF and other stakeholders. On behalf of CISF Rourkela unit, Mr. Sahai thanked the CEO for his support, which has helped the CISF unit to give its best even during the darkest days of the pandemic. And with this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.